Hi guys, it's Zizi. Welcome back to my tips and tricks channel. Today I'm going to show you how to DIY embossing ink which can be used with a pointed nib. First, let's talk about what we need for today. Glycerol. You can get this from pharmacy. Some embossing powder. It doesn't matter what brand it is, try to get one the powder is finer. That will achieve a better result of more refining writing. A little jar. Some clean water. A piece of card with a smooth surface. A brush. A pointer pen. Here the nib I use is Blanzy 2552. A heat gun. If you don't have a heat gun, a hairdryer will do. Now mix the glycerol with water. I don't have the exact portion. I would say the ratio is 2:1. So if you put 2 parts of glycerol, you need to put 1 part of water. Mix them well, then we can test it by writing some upstrokes. If you can write an upstroke without any problem, that means the ink is good to go. But if there is no ink coming out when you write the upstroke, that means the ink is too thick. You then need to add more water, but you don't add too much at a time, add it drop by drop. And now we can put the embossing powder on top of the wet ink. And shake the excess powder off. Use the little brush to remove those couldn't be shaken off. And that's why you don't want to use the paper that is rough or has a lot of texture, as the powder will trap into the grain and it's hard to be removed. Now blow it with the heat gun until the powder is set on the paper. That's it, it's done. Isn't it easy and fun? And now you can create an embossing effect on anything you write with this ink. If you liked today's video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.